Good day, students. Emmanuel Fazal is here, your mathematics teacher of class 8, unit number 1, operation on set. And this is lesson 3 on this unit. Topics: laws about set by Venn diagram. Students, already you have done in this chapter set, representation of set, subset, proper subset, improper subset, and how to find subset and power set. Now today, verify associative and distributive law through Venn diagram. Associative law, we have to know that A intersection into B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. And distributive law, we have to know that A union into B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Now before starting this, what is Venn diagram? Sets can also be represented graphically using Venn diagram, named after the English mathematician John Venn, who introduced their use in 1881 AD. In Venn diagram, the universal set U is usually represented by a rectangle. Inside this rectangle, circle or oval represent sets. The Venn diagram are also used to represent operations on sets. Now students, to verify associative law by Venn diagram, we have to know that A intersection into B intersection C is equal to A intersection B into intersection C. Associate mean here we associate intersection with B intersection C, and other side we associate intersection of C with intersection of AB. If A has element 1, 2, 3 and B has element 2, 3, 4 and C has element 3, 4 and 5. Students, left hand side, first we will solve A intersection into B intersection C. Now B has element 2, 3 and 4 and C has element 3, 4 and 5. Student, intersection mean we will put together the elements which are the same or the common. So same elements are 3 and 4. The same process we will do by Venn diagram. Students, set B has element 2, 3 and 4 and C has element 3, 4 and 5. These circles are overlapping. So its mean here is something is common, and that is 3 and 4. So shaded portion represent B intersection C. Now A intersection into B intersection C. A has element 1, 2 and 3 and B intersection C already we have done, that is 3 and 4. Now here is, students, only one element is same, and that is 3. Same process we will show here. A has element 1, 2 and 3, C has element 3, 4 and 5 and B has element 2, 3 and 4. Students, these circles are overlapping on each other, but this same portion, this is a shaded portion and this is 3, represent A intersection into B intersection C. Now come to right hand side, that is A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B, we will solve bracket side first. A has element 1, 2 and 3 and B has element 2, 3 and 4. Now we will take intersection, the elements which are the same, and same elements are 2 and 3. Same we will do in Venn diagram. A has element 1, 2, 3, B has element 2, 3 and 4. Here, students, circles are overlapping. It's mean this same portion, that is 2 and 3, is our intersection. So shaded portion represent A intersection B. Now A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B already we have done, that is 2 and 3. And C has element 3, 4 and 5. Here is only one element, that is 3 is same. Same process we will do by Venn diagram. A has element 1, 2, 3. B has element 2, 3, 4. And C has element 3, 4 and 5. So these all circles are overlapping each other. But this shaded portion shows A intersection B into intersection C. So students, it's mean our left hand side and right hand side is same. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now come to verify distributive law by Venn diagram. If A has element 1, 2, 3, B has element 2, 3, 4 and C has element 3, 4 and 5. We have to know that A union into B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection B union C. Distribute mean, here students we will distribute the operations. Union of A with B intersection C. Another side, intersection is distributed on A union B and B union C. We will solve left hand side first. That is B intersection C. B has element 2, 3 and 4. C has element 3, 4 and 5. So students, here is a same portion. The elements which are the same, that is 3 and 4. Now show by Venn diagram. B has element 2, 3 and 4. C has element 3, 4 and 5. Here circles are overlapping. So it's mean 3 and 4 is our result. And shaded portion represent B intersection C. Now A union into B intersection C. A has element 1, 2, 3. B intersection C already we have solved. That is 3 and 4. Union mean we will put together the elements. So elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the result we will show by Venn diagram. A has element 1, 2, 3. C has element 3, 4 and 5. And B has element 2, 3 and 4. Students, these circles are overlapping each other. So it's mean this shaded portion 1, 2, 3 and 4 shows our result, that is A union into B intersection C. Now come to right hand side. A union B intersection A union C. A union B, A has element 1, 2, 3 and B has element 2, 3 and 4. We will, in union we will put together the elements. So elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is shown by Venn diagram. A has element 1, 2 and 3. B has element 2, 3 and 4. And this is all shaded portion shows our result. On A union C, A has element 1, 2, 3. C has element 3, 4, 5. We put together the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in Venn diagram, A has element 1, 2, 3. C has element 3, 4 and 5. And this is all shaded portion shows our result. So this is shaded portion A union B. This is shaded portion A union C. Now A union B intersection A union C. A union B already we have done, that is 1, 2, 3. And A union C already we have done, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now intersection, the elements which are the same and same elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. In Venn diagram, A has element 1, 2, 3, C has element 3, 4, 5 and B has element 2, 3 and 4. So students, these circles are overlapping, but this shaded portion shows our result, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So students, it's mean the both results of our sides are same It's mean left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now students, this is a home task for you. Do question number 1, exercise 1.3 on page 9. Students, you are requested any homework, task or activity given to you, solve it in your maths copy. When you resume your classes, marks will be given on the basis of home task and activities. Students, thank you for your listening. Stay home and save life.